Hello everyone. We're gonna take this Superpro 8000 Universal Gang Programmer apart. This is an oldie from Xeltek, this old parallel port. Couldn't find any information on the power supply. I believe this takes 3 voltages. I'll have to figure out, it's like a 5-pin DIN connector of some sort. You can see the color, how gray it was. So it's missing a screw. Got a couple screws. Let's pop the cover off this thing. Let's see what we have inside. Yeah, I was going to try to do this earlier, but the Wayback Machine, the Internet Archives were down. Whew, that is a long screw. 2 washers. That'd be an interesting one if oh man, that one just got magnetized my screwdriver. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing some right to repair stuff here. There's a few things I need to get posted on some companies. But yeah, these are always cool, the technology involved in these. There. Yeah, I was trying to find a screw that size for this corner, but I think that might be broken because it's got a chip taken out of it. So we'll find out when we open it if a standoff or a piece is broke. I think that piece is broke too. I don't want to come out. Well, that's what they do when they throw these in the trash. There we go. Oh yeah, that's got a lot of stuff in it. Look at that. See if we can disconnect these cables. Looks like they still use the same displays. Not sure if that's a RAM board. It's got some T-SOP on it. So let's see. Yeah, that one's broke off there. But threaded inserts. Yeah, it's pretty horrible soldering on there. That's the membrane cable's not broke. So it looks like we have a missing screw and a broken piece. Yes, we do. It's right there. Let's get that off. Now that screw comes out. I'll have to CA that back on. I'm gonna have to locate another screw. That's a pretty long screw. What is that screw? Probably going to be metric. So roughly 25 millimeter. 124 millimeter. Inch was 4.91. Alright, this is what's inside this thing. I'm curious what that board is. We'll get to it. Plastic pieces inside. Let's see, does this board come off? Well, that's going to be interesting to tear down. Pull those out, so I would say that looks like PTFE tube. But that standoff is, thick standoff goes to the back. I think somebody's been in this. Pull the standoffs. Okay, they're like Carnage connectors. There we go. First board's off. Look at that. Yeah, I've never really had any issues with Xeltek programmers at all. They're pretty reliable programmers. Okay. Should I label these? Or should I just be careful not to get them mixed up? Let's see what they are. We'll just do one for now. This side down. Yeah, I'm going to label them. We've got 8 drivers. I'll go print 8 labels. Really don't want to get them mixed up. Okay, we've got 8 labels. I'm just going to put number 1 right there. So I'll only take one of these apart. They're going to probably be all, these are going to probably be all the same. So we'll only take one apart. It looks like there's a socketed PLCC chip in there. So we'll see what's in that. Label this number 2. And I'm taking these from the parallel port. Yeah, I don't think anything's different on that one. I don't see anything different. Same part number. that as number 3. Same part number. I don't see anything burnt, charred. For number 4. And of course on my blog, which gets more traffic than my YouTube, I will have photos, and so if you want to see something up close, just let me know and I will try to accommodate a photo for you. Yeah, I don't know what to talk about. I really don't like to get in too much into politics on my YouTube channel here. I did meet with Joe Kent. He's running for Congress. And I did meet with another senator out of California. We have some right to repair stuff we're going to be doing. I'm going to hold some of these companies and we're going to put their feet under the fire here. Going to make it difficult as possible for them, including working with United States Customs Service on one company. They want to claim their items are one thing, but market them as another. And they import them as another. So they import them as one thing and then say they're another to get around right to repair. And that is not going to be happening. They're going to comply with right to repair, or they're not going to get their stuff imported. Okay, now we're down to the, looks like a main board or a back plane. Ooh, yeah, we have some carnage. Look at that. We got some carnage. And no telling what that is. It's burnt. This thing's done. This thing's cooked. So that chip right there is. Let me grab a pinky. There we go. I got a pinky. Yeah, she's got carnage. Can you tell what it is? Maybe decipher it. I don't know. That. This thing let the magic smoke out. This is why we take things apart before we power them up. So I'm going to assume you don't know what that is. Better get it over to the microscope before I mess with it. So, but I'm going to assume there's nothing really good on the back. It's got that transistor there too. Bummer. Bummer, bummer, bummer. Parts though. I wonder how they blew that up. FPGA there. XC95018. XC95108. There we go. And I seriously doubt Xeltek would provide info on that chip. Looks like something 74P. Is that there? Maybe we could find something. Transistors done. Q3. I wonder if it's the same as Q2. Resistor. Q1. Looks like we've got another blown out transistor there. This is why we need schematics available. Yeah, this is Carnage. What are these chips up here? Well, let's when I paid too much for this. Shipping was more than the item. We should pull off. What slot was that? Be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go pull off numbers. Let's take apart number 6. 8, 7. Let's go number 6. See if we got Carnage here. Can't see. And number 6. Yes, we have some melting right there on the standoff. Yeah, this is, I could tell almost right away from the seller this was going to be broke. So, but it was purchased for Teardown content for the YouTube channel. So they had it listed for a lot more money, and I watched it slowly go, and then it disappeared for a while, and then it came back. So it probably went to somebody, and they blew it up and returned it or something. Let's see what we got in here. We have any Carnage in this pen driver? I'm going to assume is what these are. That's what's inside of it. I'll have to look up that XC9536. Maybe there's some value in the chips. Probably not. They're only probably $1 or $2. I'll try to read them. Got another Xilinx chip there. And you guys have already seen that side. So that's what's in the Xeltek Superpro 8000. It's a basket case now. What do I want to do with it? Should I scrap it, part it, repair it? Ooh, we gotta pop this board out. One more board. Type. Can't see that flash. Probably gonna be the programmer's firmware. Not sure if this had standalone mode on it or not. We got more chips under here. Let's take a peek at those. Can't finish it unfinished. Flip that up so we can get those right side up. I might attempt to repair this. I don't know. That is some pretty good Carnage right there. Without knowing some of the transistor numbers, we could pretty much figure out if they're NPN or PNP or what they are. But, yeah. Okay. That's it, man. Next Porogrammer. Don't know what it's going to be when I tear it down. I might pull one of the 2800s out of the BPM microsystems and go with that. But we'll catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.